When I first walked into Mekon Communication Club, there was this man who was immaculately dressed, had a stern voice, and seemed to be a stickler for discipline and decorum. But soon, he flashed his characteristic smile. I realized he was quite caring and understanding. I thought to myself, a perfect blend to be a great mentor. It's been 15 years since I know AKP sir, and he has changed my life.
Born and brought up in Bangalore, Prabhakara completed his BE in Electrical Engineering from the UVCE in 1973. His work took him to the eastern part of India, where he spent the next 23 years of his life before he moved to Mekon Limited, Bangalore in 1998. He served here till he retired as the Joint General Manager of Mekon.
For years, he's been an avid reader of books, newspapers, and magazines. And he has this unusual habit of cutting out articles that are of interest to him from these papers and magazines and highlighting relevant portions of the articles. He has even created a mini library for his ready reference. I never failed to wonder at his capacity to retrieve within minutes an item which he would have read years ago and link it to the topic he wants to speak about.
With his immense knowledge and experience, Prabhakara joined the Mekon Communication Club that had started in 1998, one of the earliest Toastmaster clubs in Bangalore. He finds the Toastmasters program fascinating as it works on the principle of SAF: study, action, feedback.
As a kid, Monday evening's excitement used to be about how many colored ribbons my dad brought back from his Toastmasters meeting. Over the years, as I grew up and got more involved in his life, it became about how his speeches went and how his table topics went, and would love to hear about them. This is because I saw how much dedication and thoroughness went into writing and practicing each speech. He keeps himself well-read, well-informed, and always has interesting stories and anecdotes to add to his material. Over the years, his mantra for speech preparation hasn't changed. Read the manual for speech requirements, write the speech, and practice, practice, practice.
The Toastmasters movement was in its nascent stage. We were just setting up the district, and I had the good fortune of meeting Mr. Prabhakara then. His encouragement, involvement, and more importantly, appreciation of the district formation activities cannot go unnoticed.
Growing up, I remember him spending countless hours mentoring fellow Toastmasters on the phone, whether it be late in the night or early in the morning. My father found great joy in seeing that effort come to fruition and to see Toastmasters implement his guidance in their speeches and climb the Toastmasters ladder.
An effective mentor guides you, inspires you, motivates you, challenges you. Distinguished Toastmaster Prabhakara, you have done all that and much more for your mentees.
The trouble with not having a goal is you can run up and down the field all your life and never score. This is exactly what happened with me. 10 years into Toastmasters, I had no goal of becoming distinguished Toastmasters. But for A.K. Prabhakara sir, brought me on track, showed me the goal and made sure I reach it.
There are two lessons I learned from A.K. Prabhakara as a mentor: his commitment and his tenacity. He virtually hand-held me in my DTM journey, mentoring me almost on daily basis, even when he was abroad.
He has mentored 12 Toastmasters to become distinguished Toastmasters in their Toastmasters journey. This takes great commitment and dedication to help people transform their lives.
Our home was always open for Toastmasters seeking his guidance and feedback to practice their speeches or to effectively communicate their thoughts and ideas.
Distinguished Toastmaster Prabhakara is one of the pioneers of Toastmasters in India. His meticulous attention to details has helped him fully understand Dr. Smedley's movement and the current Toastmasters education program. He's generously shared his wisdom and knowledge to dozens of mentees and proteges and has helped to spread the ideals and core values of our organization. Better thinking always precedes better speaking, and he's a live example of that.
I think if you are old enough in Toastmasters, probably 10 years or much more than that, you will remember the tagline of Toastmasters, which was better speaking, better thinking, and better listening. So some people can teach you how to speak better. Some people may teach you how to listen better, but it's very, very rare to find a person who can teach you how to think better. It was my good fortune that I got a mentor who taught me how to think better. Today, I can confidently say I can organize my thoughts effortlessly and get to the point very easily.
He gives acronyms that stick in your head. FIP for an icebreaker is family, interest, and profession. AAO is the ability, the audience, and the occasion to deliver a perfect speech. And of course, the CC pass to be a great storyteller.
Along with acronyms, he has several other tips and tricks up his sleeve, from how to effectively answer table topics to a scientifically designed system that simplifies speech writing. It gives him immense satisfaction to help others grow, and he has touched many lives.
I am gifted to have a wise and caring mentor like you in my Toastmaster journey. You are instrumental in making my Toastmaster journey a purposeful, meaningful, and beautiful one.
I benefited greatly from his helpful evaluations, and I admire his ability to give great insights into the nuances of a speech. I remember times when I have not been successful in competitions, receiving positive and motivating feedback from him.
I met you and MU had exactly 10 years ago during the preparation of Ovation I saw. I always thought you were such an amazing combo. Bhatsa with his obvious sense of humor, but you also would sneak in lines of wit so subtly but at such perfect timing that would have us all roaring with laughter.
I wish that you keep continuing inspiring us, motivating us, and instilling belief in us.
DTM A.K. Prabhakara has been a silent mentor and an invisible force behind my successful journey in Toastmasters.
The privilege to meet Mr. Prabhakar, the dignity he brings to your life, the learning he possesses has to be seen to be experienced. Prabhakar sir, one of the few people who left a footprint in my thought process is you.
I first met Mr. Prabhakara in a meeting at Mekon Communication Club, and he just spoke for 2 minutes in a table topic. He spoke so much of sense, so much of content, instead of simply trying to play to the gallery.
AKP stands for dedication, diligence, and discipline. Your intent and focus on the growth of members, club, and the movement as a whole has sustained the growth of Toastmasters in this part of the world.
Toastmaster Prabhakara, you are a mentor of mentors.
ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಹರಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.